In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for chess.com. Chess.com is an internet chess server from where you can play chess online with other people. Along with that, it is also a news website and a social networking website. To create an account of chess.com, search for chess.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to its website. Now on the bottom left, you'll be able to see an option called sign up. If you already have an account, you can log in by clicking on the login button. Once you click on the sign up option, it's going to take you to the sign up page. Now firstly, you'll need to type in your username for your chess.com account. And in the second box, also make sure to type in the email address that you want to add in for your chess.com account. And lastly, create a password for your account. And then you'll need to choose a level of skill that you have while playing chess. Choose your skill and then click on sign up. And as easy as that, you have been now successfully signed up for chess.com. Now you can start playing chess.com. Along with that, you can also look at some news, which is related to sports mostly, and also create and make friends on chess.com. So that was the video on how to sign up for chess.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.